friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center for the nose. And we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, pulling that down on the right. Let's close this off underneath. So we're just going to arch this in the opposite direction, pulling that back up on the side. Let's draw a straight line in the center, coming down. Now from here, on the left, we're going to curve this around, pulling this back through and in towards that nose on the top. We'll step over on the right, doing the exact same thing, pulling that back in. Let's come down. We're going to add in some small details. So we're going to draw in a small circle on each side here. Let's come up on a diagonal, replicating that. Drop down again one more time underneath. And then we'll just color them all in black, filling them in. Let's continue now with the mouth. So we're going to come down on the left-hand side, pulling this, curving this in, flattening that out in the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, curving this down, flattening that out, pulling it through in the middle. Let's come up on the left-hand side, curving this over, arching this around, bringing that back up on the right. For the teeth, right in the center, another straight line coming down. And then stepping across, we're going to draw in two more. Let's add in our eyes now. So from the center of the nose, stepping across, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting this from the top to the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now let's come in. We're going to draw in another circle on the top for the eyeball. Let's come in now. We're going to draw in a small highlight. So on the top left corner, we're going to draw in a small circle. And now coming in underneath again, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that pupil. And now let's just color in that pupil black. Let's draw on the eyebrows. So stepping up, we're going to curve this line over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now from here on the inside, we're going to round this out. So we're going to curve this over, pulling this around, tucking that back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now let's close off the cheeks. So coming up on a diagonal on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. We'll step across, replicating this on the right-hand side as well. Now let's move around that for the face. So stepping up, we're going to curve this around and in, finishing off the cheek. Let's close off the chin. So we're going to round this out on the bottom, curving this down, flattening that out in the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, pulling that through towards the middle. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up, arching this around and in towards the middle. And then we're going to flatten this out on the top, bringing this over, pulling that down on the right-hand side. Let's draw in the ears on either side. So leaving a gap from the middle, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this around, pulling that back in. We'll replicate this on the right. Now in the center, again, drawing in a nice big arch line, replicating that on the left. Let's come up for the hat. We're going to draw in two straight lines coming up on either side. And then we're going to close this off on the top with a straight line. Let's step out now on both sides, drawing in a diagonal line coming up, and we're going to end that at the same height. And now let's just close this off with a curved line on the top. Let's move up. Let's replicate that, curving that over. Now let's move underneath. For the bow tie, we're going to draw on an arch line in the center. To the left of this, we're going to curve this out. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're just going to round that edge out, pulling that back through towards the chin. Let's close off the body. On both sides from that corner, we're going to curve this down, ending that at the same height. And then again, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's come up again, curving this over. Now let's step over. On the left-hand side, rounding this out, pulling this down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle, drawing in a circle on the very top. And then dropping down, replicating that again. Let's finish off the legs here, so leaving a gap on both sides, curving this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then we'll step across on the left-hand side, curving that back through, finishing that off. Let's close this off with a curved line underneath. Let's step up. In the middle, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. On the inside, in the center, curving that through towards the back. And then we're just going to extend this out on the front. Now for the foot, on the inside, curving this around, pulling this back in, replicating this on the right, moving in towards the middle, curving this over, pulling that back through. And then again, one more time, rounding this out, curving this down to finish off our feet. Let's draw on the arms. So we'll start on the right hand side with the one that's waving. So we're going to come underneath the chin, curving this down. We're going to start on the bottom, curving this across, ending this at the same distance. Now let's come up. We're going to round this out. We're going to curve this over and through underneath. Let's draw on the thumb. So we're going to connect this, curving this around, pulling that back down. Underneath, we're going to arch this over toward the center. And then from the middle here, we're just going to curve this out, pulling that back up. Let's step across. We're going to draw in a curved line right in the middle for all the fingers to attach. Let's come up. For that pointer finger, we're going to curve this around and down. Now in the center, replicating that, curving this over and through. And then one last time, arching this around, pulling that back down on the right-hand side. Now let's draw on the arm holding the microphone. So coming over, we're going to curve this line across. Underneath, we're going to arch this out again, ending that at the same distance. And let's just close that off with a curved line. We're going to extend this out underneath. So we're going to curve this up. We'll do the exact same thing on the top. Let's draw on the thumb. So coming down in the middle, we're going to curve this around, pulling this down and up. Now for the first finger, we're going to, on the top here, curve this around, pulling that in. In the center again, arching this around, pulling that back through. And then one more time for that pinky, curving that up. Let's draw in the microphone. So coming through on the side, we're going to draw a small diagonal line. We're going to line that up at the same height, pulling it through underneath the pinky. Let's curve this across. Let's come underneath. We're going to draw in another small curved line directly underneath. Now let's close off the palm. So from that point in the center, curving this out and through. And now let's draw on the top of that microphone. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this around, pulling that back down. Then we're going to draw in a small curved line across. Let's step up and do that 2 more times. So in the middle here, curving that out. One more time, directly up above.
And that is it. That's how you draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.